Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your passkey in Binance. It is a very simple procedure, just follow me. So let's get started. First of all, you need to click on the top left corner of the screen. Now click on Profile and now click on Security. Now click on Passkeys. Make sure that your passkey is enabled so you can remove it. Now click on Delete button and it will ask that whether you sure that you want to remove your passkey. Click on continue. Now write down your screen lock or pin, and as you can see my passkey is successfully deleted. I hope this video will help you a lot. If so, consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.